Hello guys, welcome back again in another exciting video. So my beloved, today I have come with another interesting topic. Yes, in today's video I am going to be discussing with you what you can use your palm wine to do spiritually. A lot of people don't know that palm wine actually has spiritual uses or spiritual benefits. Yes, I will teach you how you can use palm wine in this particular video to bring a lot of favor, to bring open doors, to cleanse yourself from negativity. For example, if there is any negative energy such as jazz or diabolic thing that someone has placed on you or has dropped on your way and mistakenly you crossed it with your leg, I am here to tell you how you can use your palm wine. Now we are in the season of palm wine, so whenever you see palm wine around you, after watching this video, you are going to grab it with 2 hands. It is not a joke, and it works perfectly well. Yes, palm wine has a lot of spiritual benefits, and one of the spiritual benefits is what I am going to be telling you. The second benefit will be on my second channel. So if you want to know the second benefit of palm wine, how we can use it to destroy any charm placed on your house, any charm being sent on your house, whether they send it through the air, or maybe they just came physically just to drop it, okay? And it makes evil not to penetrate inside that house. Like, it makes evil things, like negative things, not to come inside that house whenever you're using palm wine for house protection or for building protection or for land protection or for anything, okay? So if you want to learn more about it, please stay tuned to my second channel. I will drop the second channel link after making this video, okay, so that you can go and check it out on my second channel, okay? So, but in this particular video, I am going to be telling you how you can use that same palm wine to do what? To remove negative energy, like jazz being sent on your way, whether you match it or they just blow it on your body unknowingly, or they just transfer it in your body through shaking of the hand, or by hugging, or by any means, okay? Now, there is so many ways that enemies can put negative energy in someone's life that people don't know. They might use through the means of shaking you. That is why I don't advise people to shake people, okay? They can also use the means of shaking to collect your star, okay? They can even put the negative energy in you, like things will not be working through hugging. When they hug you, they have already done some incantation on their body and everything concerning you. So when they see you, they will just hug you, and you think that it's a normal hug. It is not. They are projecting some arrows of delay, setbacks, sickness, and you wouldn't know. If you're not spiritually strong, if you're not protected spiritually. All these things, when they do it, it will just penetrate, it will just start working in your life, okay? It can take 1 month, 2 months, 3 months before you start manifesting that you will even see it. The moment they do it, you will not notice it, but after 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, you start noticing some changes in your body. Some will start noticing failure. Things will begin to to go bad, okay, against them. So you have to be very careful, especially in this particular season. Do not allow anybody to do what? To hug you, especially when you know that you are not spiritually protected. Okay, so to use palm wine to do what? To remove negative energy out from your body, okay, and to make things to begin to work on your way, to clear your way perfectly well. All you have to do is to get me a palm wine. This is my palm wine, okay? When you get it, okay, whether it is fresh one or soured one, palm wine is palm wine. They all have, in fact, they are serving the same thing when it comes to spiritual benefit. So get any palm wine of your choice. Now get me a wonderful leaf. This leaf is spiritually, in fact, it's wonderful. This leaf can make a barren woman to conceive. This leaf can serve as a protection leaf. This leaf can serve as a road opener leaf for you. Okay, but since we are making use of it for cleansing, for cleansing of negative energy out from our body, you are going to be needing this particular leaf. It is called Ogrishi leaf. Okay, for those of you that have heard about it, it is called Ogrishi leaf. This one I'm having here is dry one. Okay, I don't have the time to look for the fresh one in the bush because of the season we are. So this one, I have the dry one already in my house. So get a dry one, whether dry or fresh. Just get it, like 7 pieces of it. When you get it, just gather the 7 pieces of the Ogrishi leaf. In Yoruba, it is called a Akoko. Okay, just gather only the seven leaf of this Ogrishi leaf, and then get me this palm wine. A glass of it is okay. All you have to do is to do what? To put the Ogrishi leaf inside the palm wine. Okay, the 7 leaf of the Ogrishi inside the palm wine, like so. Okay, you put it like this, and then you begin to make a prayer. You begin to make a prayer that any man or woman that has injected anything through hugging, through shaking, through by enemies in your life, that today, that as you are using this, let it do what? Let it go back to the sender. Whatever thing that they have done against you, why they have shaken you, or they have hugged you, or they have placed on the ground for you to match it, that let it go back to the sender, that it will not have a negative effect in your life, in your destiny, in your career, in your childbearing, in your marriage. Okay, you make that prayer a very strong prayer on it, and then what do you do next? You are to add this, just pour everything inside your bathing water. Okay, just put it inside your bathing water. You can bet it in the morning, you can bet even late night, around 10-11, it is okay, but make sure that before you put this, you make your prayer very, very important. And after betting, guys, you don't have to clean your body. Okay, you have to bet with this for complete 3 days. And let me tell you, if there is any negative energy or chant that anyone has injected in your body, why shaking you, especially this season, or why hugging you, or why placing on the ground for you to match it and other things, it is going to destroy it automatically. It will not have effect. Even if you don't have any protection on your body, it will not have. Once you have done this for complete 3 days, it will not have a negative effect in your life, nor your destiny, nor your children, or anything. Okay, you are going to be well protected, and it will go back to the sender. Okay, and when the person see you, for them to be start hearing negative news, this and that, blah blah blah, maybe you're down with sickness, or you're down with this, you're down with that, or maybe your marriage is not working, or 1 or 2 things has happened to your finance, or maybe your work. They will wait. They will not hear anything. That is because you have spiritually destroyed all their negative effects on you, or the negative charms on you. Okay, so guys, that is just the end of this video for today. If you have not subscribed to my channel and you have watched up to this hour, please kindly do so by hitting that red button that says subscribe, and always remember to leave your comment under the comment section. Share my videos to your loved ones, to your friends. Okay, so guys, that is just the end of this video for today. See you on my next episode. Do have a lovely week, and remember to drink responsibly. Enjoy yourself with brain. Do not just leave yourself like that. Okay, when you are drinking in a public, drink with all wiseness. Okay, so guys, that's just the end of this video for today. See you on my next video. You have a lovely day. Bye.